Welcome to our YouTube channel, My Tech Students. Can we make text to YouTube channel? Yes, you can make a text-to-speech YouTube channel. In fact, there are many successful text-to-speech channels on YouTube. However, there are a few things to keep in mind if you want to create a successful text-to-speech channel. 1. Choose the right topics. When choosing topics for your text-to-speech channel, it's important to choose topics that are interesting and engaging to your target audience. You also want to choose topics that are evergreen, meaning that they will be relevant for a long period of time. 2. Write high-quality content. Even though you're using text-to-speech software to generate the audio for your videos, it's still important to write high-quality content. This means that your videos should be well-researched and informative. 3. Use a good text-to-speech software. There are many different text-to-speech software programs available. Some of these programs are free, while others are paid. It's important to choose a program that has a good voice quality and that can generate natural-sounding audio. 4. Promote your channel. Once you've created a few videos, you need to start promoting your channel. You can do this by sharing your videos on social media, submitting them to video sharing websites, and participating in online communities. If you keep these things in mind, you can create a successful text-to-speech YouTube channel. Here are some additional tips for creating a successful text-to-speech YouTube channel. 1. Add visuals to your videos. Even though your videos are text-to-speech, you can still add visuals to make them more engaging. You can add images, videos, and even animations to your videos. 2. Use a catchy intro and outro. Your intro and outro should be catchy and memorable. This will help to keep viewers engaged and coming back for more. 3. Interact with your viewers. One of the best ways to build a successful YouTube channel is to interact with your viewers. You can do this by responding to comments, participating in live streams, and hosting giveaways. By following these tips, you can create a successful text-to-speech YouTube channel that will entertain and inform your audience. Text-to-speech YouTube channel can be monetized? Yes, text-to-speech YouTube channels can be monetized. However, there are some requirements that you must meet in order to be eligible for monetization. These requirements include: 1. Have at least 1,000 subscribers. 2. Have at least 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. 3. Create original content. 4. Follow YouTube's community guidelines and monetization policies. If you meet all of these requirements, you can apply for monetization through YouTube's partner program. Once your application is approved, you will be able to start earning money from ads on your videos. It is important to note that YouTube does have some restrictions on what types of text-to-speech videos can be monetized. For example, videos that are simply reading text from other websites or news feeds are not eligible for monetization. However, videos that add value to the original content, such as by providing commentary, analysis, or original research, are generally eligible for monetization. If you are interested in creating a text-to-speech YouTube channel, it is important to do your research and understand the requirements for monetization. By following these guidelines, you can increase your chances of success. Here are some additional tips for creating a successful text-to-speech YouTube channel that can be monetized. 1. Choose topics that are interesting and engaging to your target audience. 2. Write high-quality content that is well-researched and informative. 3. Use a good text-to-speech software program that has a good voice quality and can generate natural-sounding audio. 4. Add visuals to your videos to make them more engaging. 5. Use a catchy intro and outro to keep viewers engaged. 6. Interact with your viewers by responding to comments, participating in live streams, and hosting giveaways. By following these tips, you can create a successful text-to-speech YouTube channel that will entertain and inform your audience, and that can also earn you money. For more interesting videos, subscribe my channel. Hit the like button and press bell icon.